The fully automatic packaging machine that integrates bottle unscrambling, peristaltic pump filling, servo-driven capping, and precision labeling into a compact production line for small bottles. Designed for hygienic and high-accuracy liquid dosing, it supports 10 to 100 milliliters containers and delivers up to 40 bottles per minute. With optional date coding and stable mechanical performance, it is ideal for cosmetics, personal care products, essential oils, and other liquid-based formulations in small to medium-scale manufacturing.